Good day everyone. My name is Alan Vincent Pamadico, BS Criminology. Today, I will be discuss 8 fingerprint patterns and 24 ridges of fingerprint. Ano ba pagkakaiba ng lunar loop and linear loop? Pang lunar loop, ito yung loop na nanggaling sa ating pinky finger or little finger dito. Kung right or left hand. Sa linear loop naman, ito yung sa ating thumb. Ilalaki natin dito. Left or right din. Ang ating pangatlong fingerprint pattern ay plain arc. Nakikita nyo sa picture, ito po yung plain yung tsura niya. At ito po ay enter from one side and smoothly exit from the other. Nagpo-form ng low wave. Parang siyang bundok. Ganun. Wala siyang core at wala din siyang delta. Next is tented arc. Dito. Para siyang plain arc but the ridges rise up sharply in the middle. Para siyang tent pole. Ganun pa ganun. It may have a delta or a sharp angle in the center. Ay plain whirl. Ito ay ridges form a complete circle or a spiral, and ito ay palaging may dalawang deltas at saka at least isang ridge na nagme-make ng full loop around the center. Ito yung center niya. Next is center pocket loop whirl. Ito. The pattern has a loop surrounding a small whirl in the center. Itong loop na to. At saka ito has dalawang delta, pero ang center pattern is off center. Kita nyo dito sa plain whirl, yung center niya sa gitna. Pero dito, nasa gilid lang siya. Ang ating pang 7th fingerprint pattern is the double loop whirl. It's made of two separate loop pattern that swirls in opposite direction, often forming an S. Gagaya sa picture dito, mukha siyang S. At ito yung mayroong dalawang deltas.
Ang panghuli ay accidental whirl. Ito ay isang combination of two or more patterns that don't fit into the other categories. Ito ay isang irregular at has two or more deltas.
34 ridge formation. Ang una natin ay type 9. Meron siyang dalawang magkasalungat na ridge na nag-go around sa pattern area. So siya ay pang pinakadulong part. Tapos, sila ay nag-help in locating the delta. Kung isipin mo, sila yung walls ng other side na nag-guide where the main fingerprint pattern forms. Next is pattern area. Pattern area is the central part of the fingerprint where the pattern is found. Pangatlo natin ay delta. Ito yung triangular part. Yun yung triangular part na or fingerprint where ridges split in 3 direction. Ang pang-apat natin is core. Ito yung pinaka-center ng fingerprint pattern, loops and whirls. It's usually the innermost part of the loop or spiral. 5 is area of divergence. This is the spot where two ridges split apart or start going in different directions to form a fingerprint pattern. Usually ito ay merong near delta. Ang pang-anim natin ay diverging ridge. They are the ridge that separate or spread out from the area of divergence and they form the two sides of the type line. 7th is the curving ridge. Ito yung ridge na nagbe-bend, na nagko-curve back towards the center of the fingerprint. At ang pang-8 ay sufficient recurve. This means the curved part of the ridge is deep and clean enough. Sufficient curve. Ang pang-9 is shoulder of loop. Ito. They're the two end of the loop that forms the opening entrance of the loop pattern. At ang pang-10 natin ay rub o bar. Ito. They refer to the straight or nearly straight ridge found inside the loop. Ang ating pang-11, furrows. Ito. Furrows are the spaces between the ridge na when you ink a fingerprint, the ridge appear as black lines. and the furrows are the white gaps in between. Ang ating pang 12 is bifurcating ridge. This is the ridge that splits into two branches like a letter Y. And it's one of the most common ridge characteristic used in compare fingerprints. Ang ating 13 is trifurcating ridge. Trifurcating ridge. Ito ay single ridge na nag-split into three branches like a fork. Three branches. Na may three prongs like just like a Y with an extra arm. Rarer ridge pattern. At ang pang-apat natin ay spur hook. Spur hook ridge. Ito ay small branch that sticks out from a ridge looking like a tiny hook or spike. It doesn't fully split like a bifurcating, just a short offshoot.
15. A post bifurcation. Ito ay two bifurcating ridges that face toward each other like a mirror image. Image like two Y shapes pointing at each other from opposite sides.
Ang ating 16th is converging ridge. Ito ay two ridge na nagka-come closer together para mag-meet or nearly meet at a point. It's the opposite of diverging ridge which spread apart. 17 is appendage. Ito ay isang short ridge na naka-attach sa longer ridge like a small branch sticking out. At ang ating 18 spike is a sharp pointy ridge that stick out like a triangle or a fork. Ang ating 18 ay fragment. Ito ay tiny piece ng ridge na broken or incomplete, just a short line. Maliit lang siya. Yung sample nito ay ito yung dito. Tapos, ang ating 20 ay short ridge. Ito ay ridge shorter than usual or longer or than a dot or fragment. Ang ating 21 is series of short ridge. Ito ay group of short ridge lined up like a broken step. Ang ating 22 is dot ridge. A small circular ridge looks like a dot. Ito. Again. Ang ating 23 is series of dot ridge. Ito ay several dots arranged in line or groups. At ang ating 24, ito, ridge ending. The point where a ridge stops suddenly. Ang ating 25 is lake, island, or eye. It's an enclosed ridge or loop with space inside like a small circle or oval. Ano yun? As enclosure. Itong enclosure is a two-type ridge and joining to form a closed shape like an oval. Ito, enclosure. Ang ating 27 is envelope. Ito yung de-sounded or wrap around another ridge. At ang ating 28 is staple. Ang staple ay two curved ridge connecting to both sides and forming a shape like a stable or arc. 29 is ridge crossing. Ito, ridge crossing. Ang ridge crossing ay two ridge that cross each other like an X. Tapos ang 30 naman ay bridge. Ito, bridge. Dito sa bridge, ito ay small ridge connecting to longer ridge like a bridge between roads. 31 is puckering ridge. Ito ay wavy and wrinkled ridge that looks pinch or squish. Squish yung maskip siya. Siya. Pipipi. At ang ating 32 is incipient ridge. Sa incipient ridge, ito ay a faint light or incomplete ridge that's barely visible. Yung di mo siya makikita. Ang 33 is dissociated ridge. Ang dissociated ridge ay ridge that are separated or broken apart like a floating line. Ang ating 34 is crease. Ito ay natural skin fold or lines not part of the ridge pattern but seen in fingerprints. Ito.